Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Techans. So today I will show you how to change your Instagram app icon from your Android mobile, but I don't know about iOS platforms, but my guessing is maybe this feature is available on iOS also. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your Instagram mobile application and don't forget to log in your account details. So now in this homepage section, you can press your Insta profile icon and it is placed at the bottom of fifth one. And this is my Insta profile. So here you can press that horizontal three lines icon and then go to settings. So there is no specific settings are not available to change this app icon. So very simple method is just slide the settings page from top to bottom. So you can try one or more time to get these icons. So finally I get this app icon settings page. So here it shows lots of Instagram icon formats. So you can see one by one. So if you like any one of them, just press that icon. And then it asks for, do you want to add your home screen? So you can press add option. And there is possible to add more than one Insta app icon. So after I add my favorite app icons and then I try to close this Instagram app. So finally you can see, so all my Instagram app icons are successfully added to my home screen. So this is the way you can easily change your Instagram app icon by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Techans, and thanks for watching.